Stop using lookup formulas for recurring Excel reports. There's a cleaner, faster method, and once you see it, you'll never go back. Alright, let's get started. Let's imagine you're working for a retail company with multiple locations across the country. Every week, sales data comes in from different stores, and your job is to turn all of that into a clean report. You're given 3 separate sheets, one with sales transactions, sale ID, date, product ID, store ID, and quantity. Another with product details, product names, categories, and prices. And a third sheet with store information, store name, city, state, and region. But here's the problem. The sales sheet only shows product IDs and store IDs. Not exactly something you confidently send to management. So what's the usual reaction? You start translating those IDs into real information using lookup formulas. To pull product names, type =XLOOKUP. Select the lookup value, then the lookup array, then the return array. And if there's no match, return a blank. Press enter. And yes, it works. But every new data means more copied formulas, bigger file size, slower performance, and a higher risk of errors. Instead of merging data with formulas, we let Excel handle the connections. First, Excel needs structure. Click anywhere inside your sales data. Press Ctrl+T. Make sure My Table as Headers is checked, and click OK. Now rename the table to something meaningful like Sales Table. Repeat the same steps for the Products sheet. And name it Products Table. Finally, the Stores sheet. Name it Stores Table. Next, we add these tables to Excel's data model, which simply allows Excel to work with multiple tables at once. Click inside the Sales Data table. Go to the Power Pivot tab. Select Add to Data Model. And minimize. Do the same for the Products table and the Stores table. Now Excel knows all 3 tables exist, but they're still separate. And that's exactly what we want. Now we tell Excel how these tables connect. Go to the Power Pivot tab and open Manage Data Model. Now switch to Diagram View. You'll see all the tables visually. Here's what we connect: Sales Store ID to Stores Store ID. Sales Product ID to Products Product ID. Just drag and drop to create the relationships. Now the fun part. Click Pivot Table. Place it on a new worksheet, and click OK. On the right side, you'll now see multiple tables available. That's the real power of the data model. Now, drag product name to rows, quantity sold to values, and region to columns. And just like that, a clean, professional report built from multiple tables. To calculate total sales, click anywhere inside the pivot table. Go to the Power Pivot tab, choose Measures, and select New Measure. Give the measure a clear name, Total Sales. Now enter the formula. Type =SumX. First select the Sales table. After the comma, multiply quantity by the related unit price from the Products table. Close the formula. And click OK. Now simply drag total sales into the values area. Your revenue is calculated instantly. Now imagine new sales rows are added next month. You just click refresh. The entire report updates instantly. If this helped, give it a like, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for practical Excel skills you can use at work. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.